Hi! If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Luciana, and here on Thank You Very Blush, I like to talk about the makeup, skincare, nails. So if you're into beauty with a little bit of humor, make sure to subscribe. I'm here for you every Thursday. And today we're doing a haul, Israeli makeup haul. Because in case you don't know, if you haven't watched my channel trailer, I am in Israel. I'm a Brazilian living here in Israel. I've been here for 10 years, and only recently I started trying Israeli makeup, but I particularly love this brand, Gade, and I've ordered a couple of their products online, and well, I'm gonna do the unboxing with you today. This is the final look after I've tried these products already. So this is Luciana from the future giving you the intro. So let's get to it, and you're gonna see me with kind of like half of makeup only. Alright, now let's start this haul. Oh wait, I forgot my nails. Let me paint my nails and I'll be right back. Alright, today we're doing a haul. Love makeup. Where are the products? Okay, here they are. Now, I made this order a long time ago. Like over a month ago. Wow, okay, I bought this. It was June 9th. And I'm recording this on July 20th. So it's been a month and a half that this pretty box has been sitting, somewhere. Alright, so let's dive right in because I just want to touch it and smell it and swatch it. This is how it came. So this is the eyeshadow quad that came for free. I have the two lip pencils. Oh, so tiny. Velveteen matte concealer stick, one of the concealers. Full coverage concealer, longevity, and the Everglow liquid highlighter. So let me go over one by one to tell you a little bit about the product, how much it's supposed to cost, and how much I actually paid for it. So the Velveteen Matte Concealer Stick, it's 4.9 grams or 0.17 ounces, made in Italy, good for 18 months after opening. The original price for this one is $89.90 and I paid $58.44. Yeah, girl. Next concealer is the Longevity Full Coverage Concealer. This one is a bit bigger. It's 7.2 milliliters or 0.24 fluid ounces. Also made in Italy and good for 12 months after opening. I guess because the higher the water content, the faster the bacteria can grow. Kind of makes sense. Alright, this one's supposed to be also $89.90 and I paid $58.44. Same price as the other one. Oh, I forgot to tell the shade of this concealers. The Velveteen Matte Stick Concealer, I bought it in the shade 110 Purity. And the other one, the Longevity Full Coverage Concealer, I got it in the shade 27 Fair. Now the lip liners. I have the same type of lip liner in two different shades. Number 24, which is the red one, and number 34, which is the plum pink one. Also made in Italy. This one is 0.28 grams or 0.009 ounces. Good for 36 months after opening. The original price of the lip liners is $29.90 and I paid $19.43 for each one of them. And the Everglow liquid highlighter is 50 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces. Also made in Italy and it's good for 12 months after opening. So the shade that I got this highlighter is the Kauai. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I don't really know where Kauai is located. Let's research. Kauai. Oh, it's an island in Hawaii. Okay. Sorry. Kauai. So yeah, this is in the shade 01 Kauai. And I forgot to mention the price because I got distracted by the Kauai research. This one costed 59 shekels or $18 and apparently there was no discount for this one, which I'm surprised. And I'm gonna open the free eyeshadow quad that I got at the end. Just a quick background, if you don't know who Gade is, they are an Israeli brand that makes high-quality luxury products at an affordable price. And they do ship internationally, in case you want to buy their products, you can go to their website, jade.com, and get yourself some. All right, so let's start with swatching because I want to finish this face. Okay, so it comes with a little paper thing here. That's the first concealer that I opened that has a little instruction manual inside the packaging. Okay, it's pretty. I mean, they really invest on the quality, huh? It's like, this is solid. Let's open. It smells like Payot makeup used to smell back in my ballet days. Back in 1997. All right, that's cute. Unused. Let's do a swatch. It's a thick consistency. I feel like in the beginning it might tug the under eye area, so I don't think I want to apply this directly under my eye. But once you start using it, it does like, you know, the warmth of your skin starts melting it, so then it gets more, you know, creamy. This looks dark for me, but let's try. Okay, I'm gonna apply a bunch of it over here, and then I'm just gonna dab and apply. I don't know if my camera is picking up, but this is the shade. I feel like this concealer is darker than my skin tone. Okay, I'm gonna try just for the sake of this review. Let me see if I can cover this thing in the middle here. Okay. Is it less apparent than before? I don't know. Just to test how concealing it is, I'm gonna try to cover my freckles on the nose, and it's not covering. To be fair, they didn't say this one was a full coverage. It's not bright enough for me. I don't like it. I hope the other one will be a lot brighter, because this is just like, it's the same color, you know? A little bit orangey darker, actually, you can see here. Okay, so I'm gonna do this half with one concealer with the Velveteen and the other half with the Longevity liquid concealer, so we can, you know, compare them. So this is the packaging. Oh, it's huge, like Tarte Shape Tape thing going on here, huh? Yeah, it doesn't have a fragrance. The other one does have fragrance. So let's swipe over here. Look, I don't know what's up with these things, but like, this is not fair. Like, this color is like, what's going on here? Both of them, look at this. They're darker than me, and these are the lightest shade possible. Like, what the fuck? Okay, this is not going well, is it? Let's see. Yeah, this is not bright, and this is not the right shade for me. Look, I don't know also if they would have allowed me to exchange, because it's not all companies that allow that. Like in maquiage, you know, you can use the product and then return a used product if you don't like the color, you know, and they would change for you. But it is full coverage, yeah. Let's see if we can cover the freckles. This isn't right. I'm not enjoying this. Let's see if we can cover the shaving mustache that I got. You know, this like dark coloration here because I started shaving. Okay, here's the deal. This is all wrong. This is not fair at all. Like, this is deceiving. I don't know if the color in the packaging is supposed to match, but yeah. Shit. I got a little bit over there. But you see, it's not. It's not the same. It's not matching, and I'm angry. I'm angry because I was really looking forward to using these products. Anyway, forget about the color match. Talking about consistency, I like the Velveteen one, the matte stick, to use as like a foundation, you know, like a quick, let's just even the skin tone when you just wanna, you know, quickly get out of the house. I wonder if they would like allow me to exchange this. So disappointed by these colors. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and powder, finish with my contour, put on some blush, leave obviously the highlighter to try this one over here. And the eyeshadows, I wanna use the free quad that I got. I'll be right back. Okay, it's powdering really nicely. It's not moving around. Okay, I take that back. This is not going well for Jade, is it? Because, yeah, I look cakey as fuck under my eye. Okay, this thing is moving. The Velveteen, less than the full coverage concealer. Let me zoom you in. Maybe you can see. See over here? How it's all like moving around. And this one looks a lot better. Okay, moving on. I need to buy one of those like hair clips, the cutesy ones, you know, that don't leave a mark. Yeah, this concealer is moving everywhere. It's driving me crazy. It's driving me crazy. I can't do my makeup. Like, maybe it looks so right when you know, checking me over there, but no, I don't like it. All right, we're here, we're doing this. Let's finish. Okay. Okay, now let's do the eyes. And I hope the eyeshadow quality of this one won't disappoint, as these concealers are disappointing me. So this is the quad that came for free, but look at that. It was used. I mean, it wasn't used because you can see that they're kind of like intact, but you see over here, they're like bumps on it. They couldn't sell it and charge full price, so yeah, they gave it for free. So that's what I got. Yeah, bumped eyeshadow. But okay, right, it's free, so I'm not complaining. It's like what we say in Brazil, you know? De graça tem injeção na testa. So, which means like for free, even injection on your forehead. It's like you just take it and don't complain. So I don't want to sound ungrateful that I got this for free. But, you know, even if it's free, like give me a normal untouched product, you know what I mean? Let's give it a try. Let me just take this. Wow. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave this here because I don't really use this, so who cares? I'm not particularly excited about this shade over here, which is like a transition shade, because I feel like it's a bit too warm for me. Like the other three, I really dig it. Like I'm really happy with those other three. But let's see, maybe it's not so dark, you know, once you apply. It's dark. But now we're in. Let's continue. Wow, the color payoff on this thing is like amazing. Well done, Jade. You make highly pigmented eyeshadows. That's what I love on the Velveteen, you know, eyeshadows. Okay, it's blending really nicely. I mean, like, their eyeshadow quality is really good. So I'm happy about that. Now I'm gonna go with the lighter shade to soften the transition over there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with the darker shade. Wow. Okay, for a dark matte shade, this is not giving me that much trouble to blend. One of the things I need to learn how to do better is not to overblend, because I feel like sometimes I lose the definition, you know, that I was trying to achieve. This is really pigmented. Wow, just a slight dab and the thing is like boom. Okay, it's getting a little bit patchy over here, probably because I'm overblending. Okay, I'm gonna go over again with the orange shade just to close it and stop moving around. Sometimes instead of blending, you just need to pat things, you know? Okay, I think I'm good with this dramatic eye. So I'm just gonna do the under eye, apply the metallic, put some lashes, and yeah. They're blending beautifully. This dark, cool chocolate shade is really nice. Okay, I cleaned this brush a little bit, so let me go in with this one. Let's see if it applies like that. Oh, it actually applies. Let me try with the finger. Not much of a difference applying with the finger. I want to blend that glitter a little bit upwards here as well, just to make my eyes look bigger. Quick blend, make sure everybody's happy. Alright, so now I'm gonna put on my fake eyelashes. I'm gonna go with the Ardell Wispies. I'm gonna put mascara on the under lash. And I'm gonna be back first to try the highlighter and some lips. Alright, lashes on. Pretty, huh? And as I'm blinking, the thing just went off again. Oh, fuck it. And this is why I can't wait to get my iHerb order with the regular, you know, lashes and lash glue, because trying to fix this all the time is a nightmare. All right, now let's try the lip products. I feel like red lips will go well with this, so let's try that. Look, one thing you need to know about me is that I'm on the process of learning more about color combinations, you know, color theory. So this doesn't look like the best, so I'm gonna remove everything and I'm gonna try again with a different lip product. Okay, I wasn't feeling the lip, so I changed to the nudist, most toned down color I had. All right, so now let's finish this already long video and let's try the highlighter. There's a little bumpy thing here. I don't know how much to use, so I'm gonna go easy on it. Just gonna put one drop over here, and it is as intimidating as I thought it would be. Just gonna try and blend here to see how strong it is. That's quite strong, but as with anything, if you just blend it a lot, use a tiny bit, it might look okay. Okay, this looks beautiful on the skin. Cute. It's blending better than I thought. I feel like once it's set, it's really hard to blend some more. So I feel like you gotta be quick with this, you know. It's pretty. Yeah, Cupid's bow. All right, it is pretty. It's very pretty. And I feel like since everything I have on my face is kind of like warm toned, this golden highlighter matches well. If the vibe you're going for is that in your face bold highlighter, I think this is great. I think like go for it, buy this. If you want to go for that glowy, dewy skin look, you can use this underneath your foundation, which I'm actually gonna try that next time. All right, so this is what I came up with when using the products from this purchase. I don't know, what do you think? Do you like the look? Do you like the products? The eyeshadow didn't disappoint at all, as I was expecting. You know, they have really good high quality eyeshadows. But the concealers, man, I'm heartbroken that like when you buy it online, right? What you see over here is not at all the color, and I'm really disappointed. I didn't fall in love with the coverage of this one. It's not full coverage, not that it said that it was. But from a concealer, you expect something that it's kind of full coverage, that will conceal. But you know, if I want to use it as a foundation, you know, just to cover my face, even out the skin tone, it's a good option. Again, not happy about the color match because this is not at all, you know, what I saw on the website, and not at all what's in the box. And this one is supposed to be full coverage, which kind of is, right? It is full coverage, more coverage than the other one. It didn't go well with powder, like things were moving around. I don't know, but like I did the skin prep the best I could to give these products, you know, a fair chance. But yeah, didn't like them. The lip liners, I mean, they're good. They're very creamy. Their staying power was kind of good. Like, it was really hard for me to remove it when I was trying to, you know, remove the red one to go for, you know, something more nude. This one was the highlight of the haul. The highlighter was the highlight. Yeah, I have horrible puns, I know. I love the fact that I could apply this on top of powder, like a ready face, you know? So, really nice. This Everglow was good. I liked it. And the eyeshadow palette that I was the most skeptical about in terms of the colors, I actually like it. I mean, I feel pretty. And that's all that matters in the end of the day. You know, when you're doing your makeup, the purpose of it is for you to, you know, relax, enjoy the experience, and feel beautiful at the end of the process. Far away, I feel amazing. If people come close to me, I feel cakey. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching until the end. I appreciate your support, so make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment, as those actions help me with the YouTube algorithm. You know, it helps my channel grow. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of me and this kind of content that I make here, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye! And yes, I'm drinking water from my son's cup. It matches my nails. 110 purity. All right, bye.